And all of this is a result of the Biden administration stopping Title 42, which is what we talked about. Trump issued an executive order, Title 42, that said that you were not allowed to apply for amnesty. Asylum. I'm calling it amnesty. Not apply for asylum at the border because of COVID. So because there was a COVID pandemic, we're not going to allow anyone to apply for asylum at the border. You got to wait in Mexico while your asylum claim is being heard, which would take years and years and years, and sit in tent city, which we've documented. And now Biden said, since we're opening up the United States of America, we have ways of testing for COVID. We have ways of vaccinating people. It's not like people are coming from the border and it's going to cause a pandemic because we can vaccinate and we can test.
Right.
So we are going to go back to the old system, which has been the law for years and years and years, which is you can come to the border and apply for asylum. And if you pass a credible fear interview, you can enter the United States and wait for your asylum claim in the United States to be heard rather than sit in tent city on the border in Mexico. So, of course, the Republicans, they sued the Biden administration.
Right. And
the case is now going to be heard in the Supreme Court. Indiana has just joined Texas in suing the Biden administration. They wrote, the Attorney General of Indiana said, as I witnessed firsthand on behalf of all the Hoosiers, Hoosiers are people who live in Indiana, for those who don't know, we pay an enormous price for the Biden administration's complete disregard of their duties at the southern border. No one is above the law in America, and we are simply insisting that the Biden administration follow the law. They are following the law.
Right.
It's been the law for 30, 40 years, which is you're going to come to the border, apply for asylum, pass a credible fear interview, come into the United States and wait for your asylum interview in the United States. That's basically what the Biden administration is doing. And of course, all of these lawsuits are a result of what? They're suing the Biden administration for not following the rules to eliminate a rule.
Because they don't like
that rule. They don't like that rule. And here's some good news, at least for humanitarianism, because that's what immigration's about. It's about being humanitarian as a society here in the United States. I mean, really, if you think about it, I mean, the two reasons why there's immigration, economic prosperity and humanitarianism, has nothing to do with culture wars. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.